Well, folks, we're here with our own Joe from Mosquito Joe. We're here doing an install for a Thermacell. Joe, you're going to show us today a little bit about how to install a system. Can you tell us a little bit about it, how it works, what is it supposed to do?
It repels, it does not kill. It connects to like a little pod and a hub. It's hardwired in, so it's a little bit stronger than the regular residential USB ones. And it creates, instead of a 10-foot, a 20-foot barrier each little repeller.
Okay, perfect. So it basically creates a 20-foot barrier per repeller.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. You're going to show us how to install one today?
Of course.
All right, let's get to it.
All right, so you're trying to get it as straight as possible, not too high, not too low. Obviously, you have to get the customer's approval of where to put it, but this is where he previously told me where he wants it. We're going to start with the first hole right now.
All right, so as you can see, the screws have already been drilled into the wall. Now Joe's going to go ahead and install it. Basically, all you do is sit it in. So once you mount the device, just plug it to power. All right. So what are you doing now, Joe?
Just tightening it up. Just making sure it stays to the wall, does not like get all flimsy.
So normally we would do something like this, where you have a nice straight connection. Here what we're doing is you're just putting the repeller.
Yeah, you unscrew the top,
Okay.
plug and play, you hear a little click,
Nice.
and you're done and deal.
That's it. All right. Put it back
Twist,
on.
that's it.
Fantastic.